All right, now let's get your machine ready. So there are a few things you need depending on if you are building with or without AI, but the full list is Node.js, the ServiceNow SDK, Claude Code, the Fluent plugin, and a code editor. So let's walk through each one, starting with Node.js. The SDK requires Node 20 or higher. If you're not sure what version you have, open a terminal and run Node V. If it comes back with 20 something or higher, you're probably good, you're set. If it says nothing or shows something older, grab the LTS version from nodejs.org. LTS is the one you want. It comes with NPM, which the SDK also needs. Next, the ServiceNow SDK. Once Node is installed, run npm install global ServiceNow SDK. That gives you the now SDK command globally. Verify it with now SDK version, and if you get a version number back, you're good. Claude Code. We covered the full install process in episode 1, but the short version, use the native installer. Mac and Linux get a one-liner that you can use in the terminal. Windows gets a PowerShell one-liner. If you already have Node, the npm path for that still works too. When you're done, run Claude version to confirm it's there. Now, the piece that ties Claude Code to the ServiceNow platform, the ServiceNow Fluent plugin. Open the Claude Code plugins marketplace via /plugins and install Fluent. This gives you your agent 2 skills, one for setting up SDK projects and one that teaches the SDK's metadata documentation. Without this plugin, Claude Code is just a general purpose coding agent, but with it, it knows how ServiceNow works. If you're using Kiro instead of Claude Code, the same thing is available as a Kiro Power. Last, a code editor. This one's personal preference. VS Code is the most common choice, at least for me, and the Claude Code extension lets you work right inside of it, which is really cool. Or skip the editor entirely and work from the terminal. Claude Code doesn't really care where you run it. Okay, once everything's installed, here's your verification check. Open a terminal and run these 3 commands, Node V, now SDK version, Claude version. All 3 should respond with the version number. Then confirm the ServiceNow Fluent plugin shows up in your Claude Code plugins list. And if everything checks out, you're ready to build. One last thing that trips people up, make sure your terminal session picks up global npm installs. If like now SDK isn't found right after installing, close your terminal and reopen it. On Windows, you might need to restart your shell entirely. But that's the full setup.